I have this incredible AI tool to show you. It's built specifically for NetSuite. One monthly fee, regardless of the number of requests. It doesn't consume AI units at all. And this is impressive, right? Specifically speaking for advanced agentic workflows or high volume usage, any of it, it doesn't count the AI units. 30-day free trial, and it takes action directly on your NetSuite data. Rachel, what are you working on today?
Yeah, I'm looking to find all my inventory items where the quantity is below the reorder point.
Okay, definitely. So this is your job task today. You're replenishing inventory. You're also going to create purchase orders, correct?
Yes, and this does take me a lot of time, so I'm curious.
So Right Insight is built for you, and this is going to give you a huge efficiency in your job function today. So I'm going to save time, and instead of typing it all out, I'm going to paste it in here, and let's find that location level reorder point for your items. Right now, Right Insight is connected directly to your NetSuite instance, and it is returning the results. I see that it has 18 now. Down here in our list, there's two that are just bogus test items. No problem, right? The next step would be to provide the list of POs that should be created. Let's go ahead and do that as well. When you subscribe to Right Insight AI, it takes you a matter of 5, 10 minutes to get set up, and you'll be interacting with your NetSuite data upon completion of that almost immediately, right? So here we are again using the system to give us a dashboard results of the purchase orders that should be created. You noticed in the beginning when it gave us a list of 18, but it didn't count those two bogus. So we've got 16 purchase orders that need to be created in the system. So let's go ahead and ask it to create those purchase orders. Rachel, now that it's completed with creating purchase orders, what do you think?
It's amazing. Can we check NetSuite just to make sure everything's good to go?
You got it. So I just have this pre-built save search real quick, and let's go ahead and submit date created within today. And here they are. So you have saved an abundant amount of time by using Right Insight AI for your job function today. So that 2 to 3 hours you get back to do more important things.
Is there a way to undo anything after it's created inside Right Insight?
Yeah, absolutely. So you can come back to Right Insight and ask it to cancel or close these orders. And since I know that these are the only 16 that were created today, we'll just go ahead and say close all purchase orders created today. And Rachel, while it's running through the list of closed POs, let's go back to our search and refresh. And they're all closed.